Uh-oh, I just heard Sherry shoot. She's hunting this morning while I was doing some things here in the house. Actually taking care of some work that I had to do. You know, I'm a preacher too, so I was kind of getting my message ready. And then I heard her shoot, so let's go out and see what she's done. Uh-oh. Oh, she's in the shooting house. Oh, I think I see a white belly out there. Oh, what you done? I can see a white belly over there.
Hey, look, I wore my
Hey, hang on, let me see here. Is that the deer over there?
Look. Instead of eating my dirt, you're eating my deer.
Uh-oh, so, well, alright. Well, let's go see what you got. Get your gun, we'll get some pictures. So what'd you shoot?
There was 3 deer over there, and
well,
I thought it was just 2, but when I shot the 3rd one, and I think he was the daddy. I should have waited. But
well,
anyway.
That's the deer over there, isn't it? I think I see it in that ditch.
Yep, I dropped it.
Alright, well let's walk over there and see what you got. How many? You said it was 3?
Well, actually 4, because there was nothing up in the woods.
Well, the game cameras have been showing deer all morning, so I figured you was gonna do something. Shoot, I could have been out here videotaping the actual shot, but I guess I was in there getting my message ready for tomorrow. She's excited, isn't she? She loves to hunt. We're blessed to have land here that we can actually hunt on. Yeah, looks like a good shot. Yeah, all right. Well, it's kind of a small one, but hey, that's going to be some great eating.
It looked bigger. See, they look the same size as the other one.
That's all right. That's all right. Thank you, Lord. Well, let's go see Edmondson Processing. They always take good care of us. So, congratulations. And thank you, Lord, for providing for us. All right, we'll get some pictures.